You see it, I see it, and it's only going to get better once we get close to January the 20th. And you know why? I'll explain by the end. There's a lot of people going insane for Hedera HBAR, doubling down, going all in, because they think, and I do agree, that this token Hedera will get us rich in 2025 or 2026 or at the end of this decade. Nobody knows, guys. Come on, I'm not a genie, but after seeing the ecosystem, the console, and everybody supporting this project, same as other big ones like Stellar, XRP, Ondo, and you name it. I mean, instead of buying meme coins, instead of buying Bitcoin per se, right, that you might feel like you're late for Bitcoin, getting in on these projects is like the future, right? RWA, AI, technology, blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and the rest. So right now, Hedera just passed recently Stellar, passed Polkadot, and the next one is going to be Sui, and then Shiba Inu, which I've mentioned before that Hedera is going to be a top 10 by market cap. Why am I waiting for it to be top 10 by market cap if I can buy it right now? Plus, guess what? I've been talking about Hedera HBAR and, to my community since May, right? I mean, there's the evidence. When I finally started buying, when I understood, when you compare, the information about as far as transactions, right? And how much you use for those transactions, what's better even for the environment or so. Hedera is top. Take a look at this one too, when it comes to the council, when it comes to all the foundation, the members, the explorers, the custody, the token issuers, exchanges. Like, this is not small potatoes. This is a big deal. And just recently, I started more on YouTube, and I appreciate all my XRP community for reminding me that there's something more than XRP, but it's never bad to have many choices and be diversified. I think you can understand that. By the end of this video, I'm going to give you more on the price prediction, on where I'm seeing as a great place for me to start taking some profits. Nowhere even close to right now, which I'm happy about. Earlier this week, I went all in. So this is the level that I feel that I'm okay, because everybody holding HBAR right now, it's looking at where is my cost basis. If you got in on this trade, you're right now up by 5x plus 10x. Some of you guys, like, you're really happy, because most of you guys who bought in at less than 10 cents are making so much money, and you love it, right? That's why a lot of people are like, man, we can probably go to 40 cents, 50 cents. And it's kind of dumb to assume not going to $1. I think $1 has to be easily achievable. And that's what I'm buying, because the opportunities are endless. And if one fails, other fails, token fails, I think Hedera HBAR is going to have a successful future. So let me tell you the full story, everybody. Drop a like, consider subscribing, buy some crypto, guys. Links down below on my BTCC Weeks link as well. Really good ones, up to 20,000 welcome bonus on Weeks. There you have it. Just click. Takes a few seconds to sign up. Welcome bonuses, opportunities for you to trade and start buying and selling. And of course, with my BTCC account, 10% first time deposits, everybody, 10,000 welcome bonus up to 500x leverage on your XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, no VPN, KYC needed. And there it is. Join me and let's get started. Now, right now, I happen to have a decent amount of HBAR, right? That I feel good. I think it's a great one to start, but it kind of reminds me as of an early XRP, right? Because we have half of the XRP supply, meaning that if XRP right now is at $2 in a perfect world, right? HBAR could be at $1 right now, just because it's half of that supply, max supply. I'm not talking about circulating. Therefore, if we're at 28, that means that there's a possibility for this token to immediately 3x on us, just like this, just because of the numbers. And there's a lot of people talking about predictions, and I want to show you this one. Hedera price HBAR for 2025, 2020, 2035. What I'm about to tell you is absolute and 100 speculation. Don't take it for granted, but this is what some articles trying to get views and, crazy stuff. Now, this is absolutely probably not anywhere coming close to reality, but just to tell you where people are forecasting the price of Hedera HBAR for the years to come. And people are saying, can we get to the $1 or $2? I think that's a decent, moderate prediction level. But we are all speaking on how about with the next 2025. And here it's saying Bitcoin Wisdom, Coindex, the news crypto, 160, 180, right? Some of the prices for Hedera HBAR, how high can we go? And $1 realistically, well, will it go further? Now that we have, that 50 billion in the supply, people are saying, well, if we start comparing to USDC, which Ripple, XRP already passed, if you take a look at the entire cryptos, we already passed all of them but Tether, and we are also past Tether. And if you say, kind of like when a lot of people start talking about XRP, they also bring Hedera HBAR. Could we have a sibling right there, right next to us? Why not? So there's 122 billion compared to Hedera, which is at 10 billion, so it's at 10x. Assuming that Hedera will never get to the Ripple XRP price, because it's fine, that's another decent assumption. Let's say half of it, that's gonna be around 50 to 60 billion dollars. Then it is actually less this assumption, meaning that the price of Hedera HBAR, we could be looking at roughly in the vicinity of, let's go to Solana. Well, somewhere in between Solana and Dogecoin, but let's just go with Dogecoin. So imagine, can Hedera pass Dogecoin by market cap? I think that sounds like an insult. Of course, Hedera can pass Dogecoin by market cap, because we are not comparing Hedera to a meme coin in the true specs. This is just a market capitalization that I think it could be achievable. Therefore, $1.21 per one HBAR should not be a problem, right? So just giving you an idea as far as how we are looking at. And right here, about the price analysis and TA of where we're heading, we take a look at the daily right now. What's forming? Well, symmetrical wedge, bull pennant 2 could also be. That means that we have a chance to go past in a breakout or a breakdown. And this is going to be January the 20th, January, roughly around the time that Donald J. Trump takes office. And if we continue, this is the same chart XRP has, right? Let me go ahead and bring it right here with us. There it is. XRP is actually a little bit more weaker in my opinion. Tad more, weaker. We go back to Hedera HBAR. Hedera seems that it kind of, wants to continue holding that middle line for the price, which totally acceptable. I like it. What's going to happen? Well, if we are able to withstand this level, that's going to be huge. If we break down, the next price to witness for support is going to be somewhere around the $1, the 14 cents. 14 cents will be, for some people, devastating, because that's a lot of big drop, right? But we do have some level of consolidation at this time in late November. But right now, if we go all the way back to this one on Hedera HBAR, what we're going to notice, I need to go here to CoinMarketCap, because, we have to go all the way back to 2021. Then we are looking at the 43, which in this recent pump, we got all the way to 39, if I'm not mistaken. So we haven't seen the all-time high similar to XRP. We haven't seen that all-time high yet of 2021. I think that's really mega bullish. Therefore, guys, if you, like me, are accumulating back since May and are not stopping in your positions, I am pretty positive, guys, that if you're continuously buying, trading, take a look at my BTCC and weeks, get your bonuses. Now it's time, before we actually get to those levels, now it's time to hurry up. Then you should be able to see and witness richness through this token. That's what I'm preparing for, honestly. I think it's still cheap. I don't mind the 28 cents at all. I've been dollar cost averaging all the way from 33, 32, 30, 29, and even less than that. So I feel good about it. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is the honest way I feel, and there's a lot more to go, and there's a lot of great community members right there that I'm learning from. So this token shouldn't be a problem, despite the upcoming bear traps, upcoming bull traps, and whatever manipulation there is as we head to that January the 20th when Trump takes office and we see a complete unique change in the crypto landscape here in the US and the world. We're going to have a lot of buy the rumor, sell the news, expect volatility, but embrace that, because once we start pumping, FOMO comes and it's hard to make money as you're buying those green candles. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't be the exit liquidity. Peace.